I didn't quite see you there. I'm just relaxing in my private pool area. Casually. I just woke up like this. I didn't do my makeup. This is just very me, very natural. It's not diet. I don't need to diet. Okay, shut up, bitch. It's a beautiful day. The sun is shining. I figured what better way to spend such a beautiful day than close all my windows and blinds, turn the AC on, and sit in a room and talk to myself. Beachy vibes right now, you guys. I've got my Coke. Anyway, so today I've got some new makeup. I thought, why not do a summery makeup look? By the way, oh my god, I cut my hair. I got my hair cut. I didn't cut it myself. I haven't washed it since I got it cut like a week ago. Yeah, I decided to go a little short. I feel like I could even go a little shorter, you guys. I'm obsessed. I'm really enjoying it right now. But that's not what this video is about. Okay, let's prime. I'm going to use the AOA Studio Wonder Skin Perfecting Blur Primer. I use this in my full face using All Shot Missy $1 makeup. Still trying it out because the foundation lasted pretty well. It works well with the foundation that I'm going to use next. Okay, I swear this isn't going to be like a full face of only $1 makeup again, but the first 3 steps are $1. Next, I'm going to go in with the Tinted LA Colors Cheek and Lips Tinted. So I do the cheekbones all the way around. I do a little bit right there on my forehead because like naturally the light kind of just hits right there on my forehead. Okay, wow, yeah, that's great. Tip of the nose, chin, Cupid bow. There's cat hair on this. You guys, I've given up with the cat hair. Like, there will be cat hair. I've given up. Under the brows. Let's put some on the bottom. Kind of blend that around a little bit. This brush is the Bedelium Tools BDHD Phase 2 968 brush. Wow, okay. Golden triangle. It's a triangle. It's very satisfying to hold. I love like things that fit in my hand perfectly. You know what? The hand is working for this. Look at that bitch. See, I don't like to look tan, but I do want to glow. You know what I'm saying? Gently, just like kind of stippling everywhere where I put the highlighter on my face. Next, we're just going to grab our BB cream. Gonna give you a beauty hack right here, you guys. This is a hand mirror from the 99-cent store inside a roll of paper towels. So, in case you don't have a standing mirror, you can use that. And there's the foundation, just one layer all over my face. I did use a generous amount, but you know, blend it all over the place, and you can still see that sheen coming through from the highlighter, and my face still looks like skin because I decided to choose a BB cream. Not that there's anything wrong with full coverage foundation, and got a rude comment the other day of somebody saying, oh, your face looks like a mask, like too much coverage. What kind of foundation you wear that day is kind of like what color shoes you wear that day. Do you want to go full coverage? Do you want to go light coverage? It's a choice, and I made it, and I don't need to hear your lip about it, okay? Somebody wants to look cakey in full coverage, let the bitch look cakey in full coverage. Okay, moving on to concealer. I'm actually going to be using the Dermacol Makeup Cover Foundation or concealer. I've been trying this stuff out. It is really full coverage. It's kind of cakey looking if you put it all over your face. It's like this waterproof. It's amazing. It really is. The littlest bit goes a very long way. I feel like it's good for concealer, so that's what we're going to try to do today. What am I even looking for? Bitch, focus. Let's see if I can do all of my concealer with just that tiny little amount, okay? So it's not a whole lot lighter than the foundation that I chose to use. So it's actually not highlighting a whole lot, but you can see how much coverage it is on my dark circles right there. I kind of like to just put it all over my nose. I usually conceal my whole nose anyway because I don't need that part looking natural. Alright. There's still like an excess of Dermacool on my sponge right now. It really just a little bit goes such a long way. It's ridiculous. I'm gonna set my face with my favorite powder, which is the RCMA No Color Powder, with the damp beauty sponge, and put that under my eyes first. As well as like right here, because I feel like I get creasing when it's hot right there. It's so annoying. Maybe on the sides of the nose as well. This is looking very attractive right now, but this is what we gotta do. For the rest of my face, I'm just stippling with a big powder brush. Patting, stippling, putting it everywhere. And then I just want that powder to really sink in, so I'm gonna spritz my face with the PIXI Glow Mist. This is just gonna melt all of the powder into the face and make it look less powdery. Feels so good. I like don't want to stop. While that kind of marinates and dries on my face, I'm just going to do my brows really quickly. I do them pretty similarly every time. I have a brow routine video on my channel that you can search for, so I'm just going to speed through it, but I'll still show you what I do and how I do it. To contour my face, I'm going to use one of my favorites, which is the PROFUSION Pro Conceal and Contour palette. Looks like that. I pretty much just use this shade right here. And I like to just tap my brush. I don't know why. I feel like when I go like that, like swipe back and forth, it disturbs my foundation. Regardless of any foundation or powder brand that I use, so I just like tapping. Feeling the heat right now under my artificial sunlight. It's so warm. I might have to turn the AC on, but I'm kind of lazy and I don't want to have to get up. Dude, my ears, you can tell I'm warm because my ears are freaking bright red. You need to cover that up. And since it is summer after all, what I like to do with my contour is I like to take the tiniest little bit and put it on my nose, like right there in the middle. For my nose shape, this works really well. It creates the illusion of a swooped out, like carved out nose, even though I have like a slight bump. And it also looks like I'm like a little sun-kissed, am I right? I'll still go in and do like the tip of my nose though, with that same color. Oh right, I forgot I do this too. Next, let's bring a little color onto the face. I've got this to try out. This is a Sigma Cor de Rosa Aura powder. It says face powder on it, you guys, but when I open it up, it definitely looks more like a blush. I really like the packaging. The packaging is very nice. It's like one of the nicest blush packagings I've ever gotten. But the color looks cute. Let's see if we can warm up my face with this a little bit. I have a code with Sigma. I'm still like, you know, trying out their stuff. So far, I haven't been disappointed by anything that I've received from them. If you're interested in anything from them, you can use my code to save money and put a little coin in your girl's pocket. Ooh. I'm going ham on the blush, as you guys can obviously see. My makeup is very seasonal. I get inspired by the seasons, even though I'm in Southern California and there aren't really a lot of seasons. We have like two, hot and then like jacket weather, like jeans weather. I really like to load up on the blush in the spring and summer months, just because I think it looks really cute, and I'll bring it like across like that so I look sun-kissed, and even a little bit on my nose. We're just going to keep going with the face for now. So this is the NOMAD Cosmetics Around the World Light Infusion palette. The artwork on the palette is absolutely stunning. I really love this kind of look. Kind of want to like put it on my wall and frame it. And then boom. So this palette supposedly is for your face and body. Face, body, and eyes. Creamy, pigmented, buttery, beautiful. And they just look really cool. Like after I do the swatches, see how it's like That's the remnants. I'm hoping that that's what's gonna look like if I put it on my face right now, because I kind of want to use the orange one as like a blush topper. Let's see. Ooh. Oh my god, yes. I feel like this is what has been missing from my collection, is a legit peachy orange highlighter. That is really cute. I'm like super curious now what the yellow one would look like. Should we try putting it on top? Oh, that's cute. Yeah. Highlighting the highlight, bitch. That was loud. You can kind of see the yellow right there. See that? So I think I'm gonna stop with that, save it for like maybe the eyes. For the rest of my highlight, I'm just gonna use this one. It's the Makeup Revolution Strobe Highlighter. And this is the shade Supernova. Open, you fucker. I really like this thing. It is bright, it's white, and it is here. Thing is, you just have to find a highlighter that complements your skin tone and doesn't give you a weird cast, like a different color when you turn. You just want it to be like lights on, lights off, you know, like not like giving a shadow or a color to your face. Like my face probably looks yellow right now because of that one, because it's not that it's a bad color or a bad highlighter, it's just not the right one for me. Shining to the gods. Let's move on to the eyes now. Blending around the remaining foundation and concealer on my lids. I'm really feeling that yellow shade right now. Kind of want to put it all over my eyes. Okay, hell yes. It's like a beautiful sheer like wash of color that's like very metallic and shiny. What if we sprayed with some setting spray and then, oh my god. Shut up. Okay, let's spritz with a little e.l.f. setting spray. A little bit of the yellow shade. Yeah, it makes it so much more opaque and metallic and shiny and beautiful, and oh my god. Should we put it on the lower lash line? I feel like we probably should. Just keep it together. Keep it together, bitch. Just realized that a lot of people probably wouldn't put a shimmer on the lower lash line. I don't know what I'm doing. I kind of want to grab the peach and maybe pop it up like right above the crease. Give a little dimension, you know what I'm saying? Oh, yeah. The only reason why I'm saying like, oh my god, and I'm like in awe is because like normally I would never do this type of color combination, and I'm like so pleased that it looks good, you know? I'm not just like, oh wow, the eyeshadow looks like eyeshadow. I'm just happy that I'm not ruining it. I feel like I have to bring that shade on the lower as well. I'm gonna pop a nude pencil in my waterline. This one is the Wonder Pencil by NYX. Lash curler. Where the shit is my lash curler? What do you guys do when you curl your lashes? Do you like pulsate it like that, or you just hold it? I feel like the pulsating. I just tried doing that this time and it appears to have worked better. So I'm gonna do a waterproof mascara this time because in the summer you're kind of hot and moist, and last time I wore the Dermacool as concealer, it was grabbing my mascara and like pulling it down my face. It was so bad. So let's go with waterproof today. This bitch is gonna put on some falsies. I've got these Rouge and Rogue lashes, and I'm picking these ones today. This is the style Nirvana because they're kind of separated. See that? So I feel like it's gonna look cute, feathery, and soft. So I think it's gonna be perfect for today. I'm using the Duo Clear Brush On Adhesive, and I like using clear lash glue when I have a very minimal eye look like this and there's no black, there's nothing on my lower lash line. With the clear, if you mess up and you accidentally like stick it to your skin, you know, it's gonna dry clear and like no one will know. And when it comes to 3D lashes like these Rouge and Rogue ones, you want to get your tweezers or your fingers and kind of clamp your lashes to the falsies because sometimes they'll like stick up. They're slightly harder to apply, but just know that it's not you, it's because the lash is 3D. Oh wow, beautiful. Oh my god, I look like a freaking sunflower, bitch. I'm gonna get a little black eyeliner and fill in right where the lash ends and bring it down to my inner corner just so it doesn't look weird. This is the Iris Beauty Eye Definer, Ultra Defining Eyeliner. Alright, I'm adding the tiniest little bit more of that peach color by NOMAD under my eyes. This is too cute. I feel like I look like a creamsicle. Okay, so for lips, I'm gonna do this NYX Powder Puff Lippie in Puppy Love, and I kind of want to make it look like I've been eating a popsicle, kind of like the blotted lip vibe. So, do you guys remember these? Look, this is how it comes out. Watch. Okay, that's enough. That's probably more than enough. So we're gonna concentrate this in like the inside. Oh yeah, that is it. That's the color we were looking for. And the cool thing about this is like the applicator, it's like a blender. You can blend that edge a little bit. Now I'm gonna go in with the gloss. That's what I'm gonna do. I mean, you could definitely not wear gloss with this, but I think we want to look glossy. I think we want to look moist today, honey. The gloss is just kind of making the whole thing spread everywhere. Well, I think we still got the desired effect, you guys. It looks adorable and youthful, and it looks like I've just been eating a bunch of popsicles. I'm here for it. Props to this palette for not only looking beautiful and inspiring this look, but also performing really well, and I'll definitely be using this in future videos. And the Rouge and Rogue lashes, I mean, felt like it was missing something, and that is the moistness in the hair. So I'm just taking some 99-cent gel from the dollar store, and we're gonna put that in the hair. Now, you could, of course, just do water, but I need it to stay wet so I can take pictures, so I'm going to do this. Alright, and there we have it. This is it. This is what I wanted. I'm looking moist, I'm looking drenched. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Gonna jump in the pool now.